This dance is called Casablanca, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on August 2022. There are 64 count, consist of part A 32 count, part B 16 count, and part C 16 count. There are 2 walls, and it is improver level line dance. Okay, let's start with the part A. Part A, section 1. Side together, side sashay, cross, recover, quarter turn, sailor step. Section 2. Side, recover, sailor step, and then sailor step, turn to left, and then side touch with hip bump, hip up, down, up. Section 3. Back touch with hip up, back touch with hip up, and then lock shuffle forward, right, lock shuffle forward. Section 4, part A, vine, side, cross behind, side, touch, and then rolling vine, close. Okay, with the count. Section 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, part B, 16 count. Side, recover, walk in place, side, recover, walk in place. And then half pivot, and then V-step. Out, in. Okay, 16 count, with the count. Part B, with the count. Section 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, part C, also 16 count, which means 2 section. Okay? Okay? 2 strut, 2 strut. And then step forward, recover together. Step forward, recover together. Section 2, walk back. Walk, and then side, recover together. Side, recover together. Okay, now let me repeat with the counts. Part C. Section 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial. I hope you can follow this step. Thank you for watching. I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.